Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put black background on Instagram story. First you have to open your Instagram application, then you will find your story at the top left corner. Simply click on it and then you just need to click on this camera icon, and here at the left you will find this alphabet icon. Simply tap on it and you will find gradient color background on your screen. Now we just need to change it. So for change this background color, here we just need to click on this icon. We just need to tap on it until we find black screen. Here we just, whenever we find it, we just need to tap on this button, and here you can see we have set or put black background on our screen. And now we can add a text, add sticker and image, and we can also add music on our background. Then when we click on this arrow icon, then we can easily put black background on our Instagram story. That's how we can put white and black background on Instagram story easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.